Hey you guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about modes. I've been asked the question many times, what are modes? Based on what I've learned and seen in the past, here are some of my thoughts on this specific subject. Modes are essentially just different degrees of the major scale. Just like you have 7 different notes in the major scale, you have 7 different degrees or steps or modes in the major scale. Now, each mode corresponds the specific note in the major scale. So the first degree of the major scale is called the Ionian. The second degree is called the Dorian. The third degree is called the Phrygian. The fourth degree is called the Lydian. The fifth degree is called the Mixolydian. The sixth degree is called the Aeolian. And the 7th degree is called the Locrian. Now you see I say the word degree. It just means also mode. Now there's a lot more to modes. Every single note in the major scale actually represents not only just a note, but also a mode that we just talked about. It also represents a chord. It also represents a scale. And it also represents a specific mood. Now, that's a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break every mode down in the future videos and give you a better explanation of what these actually mean individually and as a whole together. Hopefully all that information helped, and I will see you next time.